Welcome everybody. The least generic figure I have going this week, old Nunb, from the co-pilot of the Millennium Falcon on the Death Star run, and of course he had a resurgence in the rise. What is it? The Rise of Skywalker was the last one. I can't remember I liked them, but I don't really, they don't have the same love. I don't have the same love for them as I do the original trilogy, because I guess I was too old when they came out. If I'm not mistaken, his head is locked up. It can spin if I forced it, but it's not moving willingly. But as I was about to say, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure he was a mail-in character. I think you had to collect something from somebody and mail them in, and 4 to 6 weeks later, Nunb came in the mailbox for you. No real details at all on the back. A little bit on his boots here. A couple little lines and folds and stuff, but no otherwise. I guess he's got pockets. He got front pockets and pockets on his vest. But his flight helmet. I think that's his helmet. I don't think it's his head or hair. But was it Celestin? And he had that. It was the famous line from Return of the Jedi. But I'm pretty sure the kids, they had a resurgence of popularity on that last movie when he showed up to help with the fight on Exodor. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.